Today's session we will discuss DRC06 to DRC10. As we discussed in the previous session, DRC01. DRC01 is the show cause notice. It is also called as Demand and Recovery Certificate. This is the form used by the tax officials to intimate to the taxpayers in concise and overview of the show cause notice. Once the show cause notice is issued by the tax authorities, taxpayers will review and respond to the authority in the form of DRC06. While responding to the authority, taxpayer will give the necessary details along with the exhibits and documents for the consideration of the authority. Next, DRC07. If taxpayer not made any payment through DRC03 or made partial payment through DRC03 or not responded or responded, the satisfactory response is not given, or the authority is not satisfied with the response given by the taxpayer, or there is no response from the taxpayer, in that case authority will issue the DRC07. For issuing the DRC07, there is a specific time is allotted in the tax regime. In tax regime, two types of taxpayers are categorized, labeled. One is the bona fide taxpayer, another one is a modified taxpayer. In case of a bona fide taxpayer, the 3 years time is given from the due date of the filing of the annual return for relevant financial year. And in case of the modified taxpayer, the 5 years from the date of the filing of the annual return for a relevant financial year. Once the DRC07 is issued, then the DRC08 will be issued. This is the rectification of an order. If any officer or authority feels that some error is there in the order, in that case they will initiate the rectification process, and the rectification process will be done within 6 months. Then DRC09. This is the DRC09 is the order of recovery. Once the DRC07 is issued and then there is no rectification involved, in that case, if the taxpayers are not responded or not paid for the DRC07, then the authority will issue the DRC09, that is recovery for order for recovery. They will inform the necessary details for the recovery, and then the next DRC10 will be issued by the authority. In this contains the auction proceedings, the notice for auction of a goods. In this, the officials will evaluate the value of the goods of the taxpayer and they will auction it. This is only done through e-auction process, and they will initiate for the recovery of the outstanding tax from the taxpayer. Hope this session is useful, and in next session we will cover DRC011 to DRC015. Thank you so much.